Sunday Igboho ṣá akọni ọkùnrin mẹ́ta Sunday Igboho ṣàrẹ́ tẹ̀rí tó ń jó yìí mo kí yín lọ́kùnrin àti lóbìnrin gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń wo fídíò yìí. I came across this video featuring Sunday Igboho. This man is known to many people as a man of strength and a very brave man. And contrary to what people are saying, that he may have been defeated because he's in exile and all of that, that he's defeated already and all of that. This man is still standing tall and unwavering. You can see that he's dancing right there. I appreciate his determination, and of course, you can see that he's a strong man, so to speak. But then, we need to talk about how they will bring him back to Nigeria. I think it's high time we give him presidential pardon. Now that we have President Tinubu in power, this is an opportunity. Remember, Sunday Igboho, Omoyele, and as Yorubas, we should be able to find a way to help one another. Opportunity ta nire tó bá jẹ́ àwọn aládàkejì ni wọ́n á ti yọra wọn mọ bó ṣe máa ń ṣe dáadáa. Àwọn tí ẹ ń fi gbogbo yẹn wọn ò fi ń falẹ̀ rárá. Ọ̀dọ̀ wọn máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ bí àwọn Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ wọ́n ní ọmọ ẹni kò ní ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká fi sídìí ọmọ ẹlòmíràn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lòwe yìí ká fi ṣiṣẹ́ fún arákùnrin Sunday Igboho, olóyè Sunday Igboho, tó jẹ́ pé ó ń gbìyànjú láti rí wípé òmìnira wà fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, tó fi jẹ́ wípé kò ní sí àyè fún àwọn agbénipa. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ohun tí ó ń gbé Sunday Igboho lọ́kàn, gbogbo àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tó gbé láti rí i pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó dòmìnira, pé a gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kúrò lọ́wọ́ àwọn agbénipa, that we have freedom in Yoruba land. Sunday Igboho left his family in Germany to advocate for the Yoruba people's rights and fight against kidnappings in Yoruba land. So, if this is what this man is trying to do, why don't we consider him? Lóòótọ́ ó ti lè ṣe àwọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan, wọ́n ti fi àwọn ẹ̀sùn kan pàtí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ṣùgbọ́n aṣàtẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíì náà tí wọ́n fún ní presidential pardon. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún arákùnrin náà ní presidential pardon nígbà tá a mọ̀ wípé kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ ìdí tó fi ń jà òun náà láti rí i pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n ní òmìnira. And I must let you know that this suggests a strong commitment to his cause and a desire to make a positive impact on his community. Instead of receiving support, Igboho faced disappointment as some people misled him and changed their stance. Ohun tó tún wá ṣe ní kàyéfì ni pé arákùnrin ìgbà tó dójú ọ̀gbagadì ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ wípé àwọn èèyàn padà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Kódà gan tí a bá wo orí social media àti bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa rí àwọn tó jẹ́ ọlọ̀tẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kọ̀yìn sí arákùnrin yìí, tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tó dojú iná tán gbogbo wọn padà sẹ́yìn. And this highlights the challenges faced by activists in Nigeria today. Most of the time máa jó lọ mọ̀ wọ́n ìyẹn náà máa ṣe fún gbogbo àwọn tó máa fẹ́ jà fẹ́tọ́ àwọn èèyàn àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Igboho suffered the loss of his mother, which is a personal tragedy. Furthermore, the government prevented him from paying his respect, which could be seen as a restriction on his personal freedom. Ọ̀nà wo la fẹ́ gbé ìgbà tá a máa fi ran arákùnrin lọ́wọ́? Èèyàn kan tó tún tá a lè bẹ̀ náà ni President Bola Tinubu, pé kí wọ́n ràn wá lọ́wọ́ kán jọ̀ọ́ nítorí okùn ọmọ ìyá Yorùbá tó wà láàrin wa, kí wọ́n fún arákùnrin ní presidential pardon, kán bá tú sílẹ̀ kó lè padà wá sí Nàìjíríà. Pàápàá gẹ́gẹ́ bá a gbọ́ pé ìyá ẹ̀ ṣì wà ní mọ́ṣúárì kó lè ní àǹfààní yẹn ní àsìkò tí à ń ṣe fídíò yìí. A gbọ́ pé ìyá ẹ̀ ṣì wà ní mọ́ṣúárì, ibi kó lè lọ sin ìyá ẹ̀, kó lè lọ fún ìyá ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yẹ ìgbẹ̀yìn. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn náà ló ti dìde, various groups and individuals, including the Yoruba Self-Determination Coalition, even Fuji musician King Wasiu Ayinde have also appealed to the president. Gbogbo wa náà ń bẹ president pé kí wọ́n jọ̀ọ́ kí wọ́n fún Igboho ní pardon, amnesty, that they should grant Igboho amnesty and a presidential pardon. They are please focus on allowing Igboho to return to Nigeria from his self-exile in the Benin Republic. Igboho went into self-exile in the Benin Republic after security operatives in Nigeria raided his residence in Ibadan, Oyo State on suspicion of gun running. He was subsequently arrested and detained in the Benin Republic but was released in March 2022 on the condition that he would not leave the country. And taba wo dada, taba fẹ́ kílẹ̀ Yorùbá kó tẹ̀síwájú. A rí pé jíjà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn tí arákùnrin yìí ṣe, a ní láti gbárùkù tì ó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, kò yẹ kó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá la tún máa jẹra wa lẹ́sẹ̀. Abẹ́ President Bola Tinubu kàn jọ wọ́n bá fún Sunday Olóyè Igboho ní presidential pardon, amnesty, kó lè padà wá sí Nàìjíríà, kó lè dòmìnira, kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kó lè tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe ara wa ní òṣùṣù ọwọ̀. Remember to follow us for more stories, like, comment and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.